Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Gutters need to be cleaned at least twice a year, in the spring and in the fall. If you have pine trees near your home, needles will need to be removed every 3 months to reduce the potential for clogging the gutters and downspouts.
Take our lead.
Gutter guards can do a very good job of keeping gutters flowing freely. If you have big trees in your yard, gutter guards really will save you time and nasty work by helping to prevent your gutters from getting clogged. These systems won't prevent ice dams, because ice dams begin to form above the gutter.
Let's help you make your mark.
A gutter vacuum is another option for cleaning gutters from the ground. If your gutters are mostly filled with debris such as pine needles, twigs, and dry leaves, you can vacuum them out without getting on a ladder. Many times, these gutter vacuum attachments will fit well on the end of a leaf blower or shop vac.
Take our lead.
Proper ladder positioning. The positioning of the ladder solely can damage the gutter. If possible, try not to lean the ladder against the gutters. Leaning the ladder against the gutters may do great damage to the gutter because of pressure created by the combined weight of you and the ladder.
Take our lead.
While the gutter guards do prevent leaves, branches and other debris from building up, there are smaller particles, like seeds, that can sneak through the guard. For this reason, you should plan on cleaning your gutters and gutter covers at least every 2 years. More often if your home has heavy tree coverage.
Let's help you make your mark.
The GutterSense gutter cleaning tool was designed to make cleaning gutters from the ground a reality. It can be attached onto an extension pole and has been advertised to reach a 2-story gutter and grasp onto all types of debris including pine needles.
Take our lead.
A simple solution of water and white vinegar works very well for cleaning the outside of the gutters, and won't corrode aluminum. You can also make a paste with a small amount of water and cream of tartar, which will act as a cleaner and gentle buffing agent in one.
Let's help you make your mark.
Leaf blower. The most straightforward method is to climb a ladder onto the roof and walk along the edge, blowing the leaves out of the gutter as you go. A safer method is to use an extension kit. This extends and curves your leaf blower's reach, so you can clean the gutters while standing on the ground.
Take our lead.
About every 20 years. Gutters typically need replaced about every 20 years but can last longer with proper care. Most gutter systems, including galvanized steel and aluminum gutters, have an expected lifespan of 20 years. Copper gutters can last twice that long, with a serviceable life of 50 years or more.
Let's help you make your mark.
Since gutter cleaning can only be done when temperatures are above freezing, we typically suggest that cleanings take place during the spring and fall. In regions where freezing does not occur, cleaning gutters in winter is not typically an issue.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.